Three-moment equation, example number 2. So, ang example natin ngayon ay non-prismatic. So, magkaiba yung moment of inertia ng segments AB tsaka BC. So, ang required sa problem na ito ay yung internal moment at B, reactions at A, at B, at C. To solve for MB, we apply the three-moment equation. Yung segment AB, tawagin nating span 1, segment BC, span 2. Then solve natin yung parameters 6A1A1 over L1. So for span 1, the load is uniform and the formula for 6A over L is WL cube over 4. Substitute the data, W is 30. The span is 8, then cube over 4. So, sagot ay 3,840. Then, solve for the parameter 6A2B2 over L2. So, for span 2, the load is concentrated load. And the formula for 6AB over L for concentrated load is PB over L. Then L square minus B square. Then substitute the data. The load P is 45 and distance B is 4 over L. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then L square minus B square. So the value is 600. Then we apply formula 2 ng three-moment equation. Sa formula 2 ang gagamitin natin kasi sa problem na to, ang beam ay non-prismatic and wala namang external moments sa sections A, B, and C. Then substitute the data. So M1 is moment at A, that is 0. L1 is 8. Then E, then I1 is 2I plus 2 times M2 is MB, then times L1 is 8 over E, I1 is 2I, then plus L2 is 6, then over E, I2 is I, then plus M3 is MC 0, L2 is 6, then over E, then I2 is I, then equal to negative 6A1A1 over L1 is 3,840, then over E, I1 is 2I, then minus 6A2B2 over L2 is 600, then over E, I2 is I, then plus 6 times H1 over L1 plus H2 over L2. Para sa H1, H2, tayo ay mag-a-assume ng elastic curve. So ito na yung elastic curve. Then para sa H1, so tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from point B papuntang point A. So since yung horizontal line ay tumama sa A, then H1 is 0. Para naman sa H2, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C at yung horizontal line ay tumama sa C, so that H2 is 0. Then solve for MB. The value is negative 126 kilonewton meter. Negative moment means the direction is downward. Ngayong meron na tayong moment B, magagamit na natin siya to solve for the reactions. So assume natin na ang mga reactions ay upward. We cut at B, then moment left is equal to moment right. So at point B, the moment left is due to AY, which is upward, the moment is positive, AY, lever arm 8. Due to the load downward, the moment is negative, 30 times 8, the lever arm is 4. So yan yung moment left of B. Then equal to the moment right of B. So due to CY upward, the moment is positive, CY times 6. And due to this load downward, the moment is negative 45 times 2. At yung moment left of B na equal sa moment right of B is equal to the moment at B, which is negative 126. Then AY is equal to positive 104.25 kilonewtons. So positive means that the assumption upward is correct. Then CY is equal to negative 6. So negative means that the assumption upward is wrong. So i-correct na natin yung direction. So hindi pala siya upward. So downward pala. To solve for BY, we cut at C. Then moment left equals moment right. So at point C, moment left is due to AY upward. So the moment is positive 104.5 times lever arm. The distance of AY from C is 8 plus 6, so 14. Due to the uniform load, the moment is negative 30 times 8. And the lever arm is 6 plus kalahati ni 8. So 6 plus 4, so 10. Due to BY, inassume natin upward, so the moment is positive, BY, lever arm 6. Due to the concentrated load downward, the moment is negative 45 times 4. So yan yung moment left of C. At equal siya sa moment right of C, which is 0. So that BY is equal to positive 186.75. Positive means the assumption upward is correct. I-check natin by applying vertical equilibrium. So apply summation vertical force, then equal to 0. So AY is upward, so positive 104.25. BY is upward, positive 186.75. CY is downward, negative 6. The uniform load is downward, so negative 30 times 8. The concentrated load is downward, so negative 45, then equal to 0. Left side is equal to 0, then equals sa right side 0, so therefore the answer is correct.